60 seconds with Femi, correct pidgin yarnings. 9 we they do. And this morning, we want to talk about everything what happened for inside Europe this weekend. Why for inside Italy, Juventus, then they happy say yes, sir. They don't win another title. Inside France, PSG, then they jump. Say yes, we don't win another title. For inside England, there no be small Tino, no be small cry, no be small rolling for grand. Chicken can they touch like bitter leaf for inside Manchester United fans their mouth as Manchester United no be small thing. Everton knock them 4-0 for inside match where they play on Sunday. Now many people don't they ask, many people don't they wonder say wetin dey happen for Manchester United. I be make we go they support the women team because it be like saying then they win something now. When Ole Gunnar Solskjaer he collect the job, everybody they holla, they win match, they win match. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer Ole the wins. People say go do tattoo for the this thing. How they be now? Who they drive this Manchester United motor? Now one ask, how man you fit take ready arrange all the thing where they sup for their end.